Hello, everybody. This is Professor TK the Chemist, and today we're going to do yet another video on the gas laws. This law today deals with Charles' law. Are you ready to learn how Charles' law is so easy to understand? Let's get into it. All right, so on the screen, you all will notice I'm giving you all Charles' law and then a problem that you can use to solve it. So let's get into what Charles' law actually represents. Charles' law states that temperature and volume are directly proportional to one another. So that means if Charles' law has the temperature going up, the volume will also go up. If the volume goes down, so will the temperature. You want to make sure that your temperature is also in Kelvin. Let's go ahead and figure out how to solve this problem. So it says a gas occupies 5.0 liters at a temperature of 300 Kelvin. What will the volume of the gas at 450 Kelvin, assuming constant pressure? So what you have to do first off is figure out what was given in the problem. Well, we know we were given 5.0 liters. We were also given the temperature. It's already in Kelvin at 300 K. They want to know what will the volume be of this gas at 450 Kelvin. So you're looking for V2 if you're given 450 Kelvin for the temperature. So what we noticed here is that the temperature actually increased. Not quite double, but it did increase by 150 degrees. Here's the thing though, with your volume, because the temperature increased, your volume is going to also increase. So that means the number that you're looking for should be greater than 5. So if we look at our answer choices here, we know we can obviously omit letter D. We can also omit letter C because our temperature did not double, but it did go up slightly. So the answer choice can be between letter A and letter B. Let's solve for V2 in order to know if we're on the right track. So the formula that we're going to use for V2 is equal to T2 times V1 divided by T1. So our T2 was 450 Kelvin. Our V1 is 5.0 liters. And our T1 is 300 Kelvin. Let's go ahead and delete the units that we don't need anymore and plug this into our calculator. So we've got 450 times 5.0 divided by 300, and we get 7.5. So V2 is equal to 7.5 liters. So the correct answer is letter A. Stay tuned because we're going to do another example of the gas law. This time we're going to do Gay-Lussac's law. So stay tuned.